So this is how I process my vocals. I'll show you first how I record vocals. So first things first, I'm gonna plug in my headphones onto the speakers so it doesn't do a infinite loop. Plug it in, and next I'm gonna arm the recorder. Oh, I guess I'll arm the second one this time. This is armed, and next I'm gonna choose a microphone. Sure, testing, working now. All right. Should I put a noise gate? Okay, we'll create a noise gate. Need a limiter. So there's noise right there. Maybe the noise gate preset. And okay. Testing. Okay. Let's try that. That's good. All right. So. All right. So maybe I should have DS chain. So next, I'm going to do settings. It's kind of laggy. Maybe I just recorded OBS. It'll be easier, I guess. Kind of doubling. Whatever. So go to project settings. No. Kind of laggy right now. So audio settings. You can make it higher, like this. It'll be less laggy, and yeah, it's better. Like this, even better. Less laggy. Let's put 1,000. 1,000's fine. And then to linear point. Start recording. Alright, so you arm it, click this one, and start saying something. I am at the best in the world. Let's hear it. I am the best in the world. I am. So we're gonna go in and fix it. So edit sample. So we're gonna go in. So half the tail. It's like pretend there's like a hump. You want half the hump. Get it? Like half the hump. Like see there's a hump, right? Half the hump. You want to cut half the hump. So we're gonna go to acquire noise. No, actually noise gate noise. So that's gone now. And let's see what's this one right here. Yeah, we don't want that click. We don't want that click. So actually gate the noise, but that click is there. So we'll just clear it. That works too. And then ending right here. There's a tail. Let's just gate it. Okay, it's gated. Let's go to here. I am the best in the world. I am the best in the world. There's a click right there. See this one? Right here's a click. So we're just gonna get rid of the click. That's cleared out. That's cleared. And I guess we'll just normalize it. There's two ways to normalize it. You can go in here and normalize it like this. Make it nice and fat. So let's get rid of this in. I am the best in the world. I am the best in the world. I am the best in the... Alright, so we're gonna use a denoise. Actually, I'm getting noise because this turned off. Let's hear it again. I am the best in the world. I am the best in the world. There's a click in the middle right there. I can't use that one then. Let's edit the sample again and see how much white noise there is. We're in spectrum view. That was a lot of noise. Ah, shoot. So acquire the noise. Acquire noise profile. I don't want to do that. It's gonna artifact it, but might as well. So we're gonna do that. And I should get rid of most of it. Drop it in. Drop it in. Delete this one. And then we're going to normalize it. Let's go to here. I am the best in the world. I am the best in the world. Well, a little bit more, so we're gonna give it a chain of effects. So we're gonna do number 1. So the first one is I did EQ. I put it on 8,200. That's where my S sound is. Well, I can record an S sound. How about that? We're just gonna record one so we can see where the S is at, so we can de-S there. So it's a really long tutorial. Let's do that. That one. I guess we're gonna arm it. I am the best in the world. Alright, cool. We're just gonna play that. Turn it off. I am the best. So we're gonna use this one to find where my is it at? The frequency of the S-ing. Oh, Jesus. That'll be number that one, 3. Oh my god, it's higher than I thought. 9,000. The heck? Oh man. Dang, I don't know how I got so high pitched. I mean, I can sing very high pitched. Well, I can sing, I'm just very offbeat. $9,008. So we're gonna go back to that. So it'll be 9,000. Oh my god, that's too crazy. So it's 9,200. Oh wow. 9.2 kilohertz. And that would be my S sound. Let's go back to frequencies and play around with it. I am the best in the world. I am the best. Yes, I am. Alright, so noise remover is on. Cool. From ERA. That's fine. I'm not gonna use declipper, sounds like crap. Gonna do some EQ. I am the best. And we're gonna put a delay. In the world. I am the best. In the world. I am the best. In the world. Yeah, this is why you get a mouse that doesn't have a click. And it's in the middle right there, but whatever it is, for example. And then we get a little reverb, and you give it a little taste, and we have a nice sound. I am the best in the world. See that? And I don't think any reverb echo is good enough, but let's give it a listen. I am the best in the world. Because you get reverb from the room you're in, so you can get a little echo to give it a little chase, and that's how you make it distorted vocals, or like raw style, or you know, yellow call style. kind of a vocal. And to fix the timing a bit, you could like chop them up, but I look pretty good. My timing except for this one. I'm on pretty much on time most of the time, except for this part. I'm on time, kind of. I gotta move that one a little forward, but I'm on time most of the time. So to fix the timing, you would then detect tempo, time warp, and you can move this one up. Up a bit. Does it sound funny? Am the best. Never mind. This is not a really good tool. This stretches it out. Okay, now I'm back. I am the best in the world. I am the best in the world. Alright, so we can do autotune also to make it, well, we can EQ a little more. So that's DS, we're gonna leave that in there. Distortion you don't need unless you want to have a really crazy kind of distorted voice. So put this one back, and I need more effects changed. Try to make for clarity. Let's try voice deepener. I am the best. Nah. Oh yeah, we do auto tune. How about that? Actually, let's figure out what key my voice is in. So let's go back to picture. We'll go to. So we figure out what key I'm in. Send convert to dump. Let's see, it actually dumped there, and I went really low there, so I'm at F3, F whatever key those are, around like that. Yes, I'm in F minor. F minor then. Cool. That was cool. I sounded like a crow. Interesting. Let's try to add a piano. 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 Try that. I am the best in the world. Okay, is this one? I am the best in. I am the best in the. Okay, I move this one up a little. Just controls like one. I am the best in. I am the best. That's like my talking voice. So we can move this an octave. I am the best in. See, that's on key. So my talking voice is that. So if you would make it like a hip hop beat, then I would have to make it in the F key, because that's where my voice is normally talking. But let me try singing. We'll take a little star just for you guys for entertainment's sake. Arm Sky. And we're gonna do Twinkle Little Star. That's a real long tutorial. Let's do this. Ready? Okay, let's go. I am. Hold on. Let's do this again. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Alright, that's how I got it. That was a horrible performance, but this is for example's sake. So let's go back in, edit sample. Let's see, it's convert score to dump. And okay, I went a little higher. So this is me singing. So I go up and down. That is not good. That's like 4 measures. So you want something that goes like this when you sing. Yeah, that's how you figure out your scene. But I'm done with this. Unarm it, and that's it. So that's how I play with vocals. Sorry, it's not a very long tutorial. If you need someone to fix vocals, you can hire me, I guess, if you want to. And you send me it, and then if you don't, you pay me if you like them. If you don't, just send me like 1 minute. Don't send me like too long. So yeah, that's how you fix vocals. And thanks for watching this long-winded tutorial on vocals and FL. Bye.